Guys, there's so many crows. And we're not
Just
photoshopping.
birds, baby.
Sorry.
They're birds. Which are crows.
And we're not photoshopping.
I don't even know how to Photoshop, so what do you mean? We're not posting this on YouTube.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes,
I don't even know how,
Look at the
okay? But
tree over there.
this is just amazing. Seeing birds run a marathon. They might be going to Shin Karate. I don't know. We have birds going to Shin. Some birds are flying north, some birds are flying south. Most of them are flying south. And
They are flying south.
this is just amazing. Things that you never see these days. Oh my God, look in the back.
Holy! No, turn it to there.
I did. What in the world's going on? This is just amazing. Now
Lori, let's post this on YouTube.
we can't.
You can, baby, if you want to. It's fine.
This.
We can get likes for this.
This video is still